Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and a huge hello and thank you to all my new subscribers. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my avocado and banana hair mask. When I tell you guys this mask is amazing, it absolutely is amazing. My hair loved it. If you guys have ever tried a hair mask, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what type of hair mask you've used before. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's dive into this video. Okay, to begin, you'll need 1 avocado, a banana, honey, olive oil, half a cup of water, a bowl, a teaspoon, a strainer, and of course, your blender. So let's combine our ingredients. So first we're going to cut our avocado in half, scoop it out, and then put it in our blender. Now, avocado is extremely high in vitamin B and E, and it's a great source of protection and strength for the hair. It also is great for providing shine and restoring shine back to the hair. Now, we're going to cut up our banana as well. Bananas are great for keeping the hair conditioned. It's also good for helping to reduce breakage, as well as it being very rich in natural oils and protects the hair and keeps it soft. Now let's add our water. You could also add aloe vera juice if you have that as well. So now we're going to blend in all of our ingredients thoroughly. You don't want any lumps left in this mixture, just because when you get ready to wash your hair, you want to be able to rinse all of this out without leaving any avocado or banana in your hair. So please, please, please make sure you blend this thoroughly. And then you're going to use your strainer, and this again just helps to prevent any lumps ending up in your hair. And you're going to shake it. You don't want to be too rough with it. Just kind of shake it in there, and then you can kind of tap it a little just to make sure you get everything out. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of honey, which is a great moisturizer. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And olive oil is another great moisturizer and also works well for conditioning the hair. So now we're going to combine all of our ingredients and stir it all together. Okay, so now that I have combined all of my ingredients, I'm now going to shampoo my hair, and I will be back in a second. Alright guys, I have finished shampooing my hair. Yes, I said shampooing because I did not condition it. I've only shampooed it, and that was just to cleanse my strands. Because as you know, as time goes on from your previous wash day to your next wash day, a lot of buildup can form around your hair shaft, which creates a lot of barriers. And the whole reason for doing a hair mask is because you want to be able to penetrate those nutrients into your strands and restore the moisture that's been stripped away from your strands, as well as repair any damage that might have happened to your strands. I recommend doing a hair mask maybe once a week if you can, and if not, then maybe once a month if that works with your schedule. But doing a hair mask is an amazing gift that we can give our hair, just because we are getting the raw ingredients applied to our strands. There's no other chemicals, it's just the raw ingredients. Really excited about doing it because my hair has been dry here lately. Alright guys, so we are going to dive into this. So I have sectioned my hair off into 4 sections. So I'm going to start on this side first. Alright guys, so here's my hair mask, and I just kept it in the refrigerator while I shampooed my hair. So I'm going to mix it back up just to make sure we get all of those ingredients mixed in well. Just FYI, this does not stink. It smells good. It smells like bananas, if you like bananas. Alright, so now that I've mixed this, I am going to get ready to apply the product to my hair. I'm not going to focus on putting this on my scalp. I'm going to more so focus on putting this on my strands. And this can get messy, so I'm just going to put my t-shirt around my neck, and here we go. So I'm going to start with this side first, and I'm just going to section my hair off. So we got this section going, and I'm going to use my rat tail comb. I'm going to section off a piece of that section. My hair is already detangled, so that helps. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and then apply it to this section. And then I'm gonna make sure I really focus in on my ends, just because my ends tend to be the driest. And so like I said, I'm just gonna really make sure that I coat the ends of my hair. So I'm going to use my comb and just comb the product through. And this is just to make sure that all of my strands get coated. Alright, so I got one section done, and now I'm going to move to the front. Alright guys, so I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side of my hair. So we've completed half of my head, and now we're going to move over to this side. I'm going to start from the back and then work my way to the front. Guys, so far this feels really good in my hair, so I'm excited to see what the results are from doing this particular hair mask. I've done hair mask in the past, but I've never done avocado and banana. So as you guys can see, I am finished applying my hair mask. My hair feels really good right now, and I must say it looks super shiny, which I am pleased to see. As you guys probably saw, I was really focusing in on my ends, and that's because your ends are the most exposed part of your hair. And as you guys know, as I always say, it's one of the oldest parts of your hair. So you just really want to make sure you give it some extra TLC whenever you can. So the next thing I'm going to do is put on my shower cap and just keep this on my hair for about 20 minutes or so, probably even 30. And it just kind of depends on you how long you want to keep this on your hair. Some people keep this on overnight, but again, it depends on how dry your hair is. If it's extremely dry and you need moisture to be restored, I definitely recommend keeping it in for a few hours, or if you want, sleep in it. It's up to you completely. But I'm gonna just keep mine on 30 minutes, maybe even an hour if I want to get jazzy with it. And then I'll rinse it out. So I will be back in just a few. Okay guys, I have rinsed out my hair mask and I left it in my hair. I ended up leaving it in there for about 3 hours, 2.5, 3 hours, somewhere in there, but I kept it in a lot longer than I said I was. Just because I ended up doing stuff. I ended up cooking dinner, ended up doing a bunch of other stuff. So just let it sit in my hair, and then I rinsed it out. And when I tell you my hair is extremely soft, it is so soft and feels amazing. You have got to try this hair mask out. It is, I'm gonna do it like probably every other week. Yeah, because it just feels really good. I might even try to incorporate it weekly, but it feels really, really, really good, and I am impressed. You guys have got to try it. So let me show you guys what my hair is looking like. It is extremely shiny. I am 100% happy. And it feels so good right now. It feels extremely moisturized. I'm gonna unravel my twist so you guys can see. So my hair right now does smell like banana pudding, But I am perfectly fine with that because I love me some banana pudding. But yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like. It feels very soft and extremely manageable. Like, I have no complaints. This feels amazing. Feels really good. This is a great time to pamper your hair, your strands. Show your strands some love, okay? If you have time, go ahead and show your strands some love. This hair mask was amazing. Absolutely loved it. I highly recommend, if you have nothing going on and you have time on your hands, do a hair mask. Follow the hair mask recipe that I've given you to the T, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I absolutely am happy with my results. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you plan on trying this hair mask. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I absolutely love it. My hair feels so soft and so moisturized. Oh my goodness. Like I said, you will not be disappointed. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if there's another video that you'd like for me to do, or you'd be interested in me doing a video on, let me know in the comments box down below, and I will see you guys next time. Please be safe out there. Don't forget to keep your hands clean and away from your face. And don't forget to wear your mask. All right, see you guys. Bye.